Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. First of all, I would like to say thank you for watching my video, especially my respected lecturer, Dr. Hamidun bin Muhammad Noor. My name is Anisuraya binti Amaluddin. My matric number AP190407. Today, I'm going to share about the incident was happened in Japan. The liquefaction of soil Niigata earthquake was happened on June 1964. Other than that, there are many effects due to liquefaction. Many buildings, houses, tanks, bridges, roads, railways, river dikes, and buried pipes were damaged due to liquefaction. A remarkable ground failure occurred near Shinano riverbank, where the Kawagishiko apartment building suffered bearing capacity failures. Tiled severely, the extremely tilting, the buildings themselves suffered remarkably little structural damage, and the last one, the Showa Bridge, became unseated and collapsed. Let's move on to the factor how this incident can happen. The coarse material sand, proven that the most susceptible to the liquefaction process considering all the factors. The reason is usually higher porosity amount of fine grain in soil volume than in fine grained soils. The second one is seismic wave. May cause complete loss of soil shear strength if such material is almost completely filled with water. The soil particles begin to move freely in the water and the soil behaves like thick liquid. Alright, now we move on to how to improve soil condition. The first one is sand compaction pile. Sand piles are installed to reinforce soft clay ground, while this method was applied as a liquefaction countermeasure. The second one is drainage method. Groundwater is the most difficult problems in excavation work. The presence of water may increases water pressure and decreases shear strength for the heavy inflow of water to the excavations is liable to cause erosion or collapse of the sites of open excavations. This is available to control the groundwater and ensure a safe and economical construction scheme. The third one is shear deformation method. Shear deformation method are cutting off poor water pressure, hence it is can controlling about shear deformation. And the last but not the least, soil reinforcement. Soil reinforcement is in the form of a weak soil reinforced by high strength, thin horizontal membranes. A large variety of materials such as rubber, aluminium, and thermoplastics have been used successfully. That's all from me. Thank you.